When it comes to enhancing comfort, style, and energy efficiency in Birmingham homes, selecting the right window replacement materials is crucial. The city's humid subtropical climate, with its hot summers, mild winters, and occasional heavy rainfall, demands windows that can withstand moisture, insulate effectively, and remain durable over time. Let's explore the best window materials that combine performance, aesthetics, and long-term value for Birmingham homeowners. Vinyl windows. The affordable, energy-efficient choice vinyl windows have become one of the most popular options for homeowners seeking a balance between affordability and energy savings. Made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, these windows resist moisture and won't warp, peel, or rot, perfect for Birmingham's changing humidity levels. Advantages. Energy efficiency. Vinyl frames offer excellent insulation, helping reduce heating and cooling costs year-round. Low maintenance. They never require painting or staining, just occasional cleaning. Variety. Available in a range of colors and finishes, including wood-look laminates for a classic touch. Best for homeowners who want long-lasting performance and minimal upkeep without breaking the bank. Fiberglass windows. Built for strength and stability, fiberglass windows are ideal for Birmingham's fluctuating temperatures. Their material expands and contracts very little, maintaining a tight seal that prevents drafts and leaks. Fiberglass is stronger than vinyl and can last for decades with minimal maintenance. Advantages. Durability. Resistant to warping, corrosion, and swelling caused by humidity or heat. Energy performance. Excellent thermal properties that improve insulation and comfort. Customization. Can be painted any color, offering flexibility in design. Best for homeowners who want a premium, low-maintenance material that combines modern strength with a refined look. Wood windows. Timeless beauty with superior insulation for Birmingham's historic homes or homeowners who value classic design. Wood windows provide unmatched beauty and natural insulation. Wood frames are excellent at blocking heat transfer, keeping interiors comfortable even during Alabama's warm summers. Advantages. Aesthetic appeal. Adds elegance and traditional charm that enhances curb appeal. Custom options. Available in many stains, paints, and architectural styles. Natural insulation. Offers excellent energy efficiency when properly maintained. Best for homeowners who appreciate craftsmanship and are willing to invest in upkeep to preserve their windows' appearance and performance. Maintenance tip. To protect against Birmingham's humidity, wood windows should be sealed and repainted regularly to prevent moisture damage. Aluminum windows. Sleek design and structural integrity. Aluminum windows suit modern Birmingham homes looking for a sleek, contemporary aesthetic. They are lightweight yet extremely strong, making them great for large window openings and panoramic views. Advantages. Durability. Resistant to cracking and warping, even under extreme weather conditions. Slim frames. Allow for larger glass areas and more natural light. Low maintenance. Easy to clean and long-lasting with minimal care. Best for homeowners seeking modern designs, especially for new builds or commercial-style properties. Energy note. Choose thermally broken aluminum frames with insulation barriers to improve energy efficiency, as plain aluminum can conduct heat. Composite windows. The best of both worlds. Composite windows combine materials such as wood fibers and polymers to deliver durability, beauty, and energy performance in one package. They resist rot, moisture, and warping, key considerations for Birmingham's weather patterns. Advantages. Hybrid strength. Combines the beauty of wood with the resilience of synthetic materials. Longevity. Designed to last decades without significant maintenance. Eco-friendly. Many brands use recycled materials, making them an environmentally responsible option. Best for homeowners who want superior performance and aesthetics without the frequent maintenance associated with natural wood. Choosing the right material for your Birmingham home. When selecting window replacement materials, consider factors like your home's architectural style, energy goals, and budget. For example, vinyl and fiberglass suit most modern homes due to their efficiency and affordability. Wood complements older or traditional properties with timeless charm. Aluminum and composite materials offer a contemporary, durable look with low upkeep. Partnering with a local window professional ensures proper installation and guidance tailored to Birmingham's unique climate conditions. Final thoughts: the best window replacement materials for Birmingham homes strike a balance between performance, aesthetics, and long-term value. Whether you prefer the classic warmth of wood or the low-maintenance durability of vinyl or fiberglass, upgrading your windows enhances your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal, making it a smart investment for years to come.